Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting inside settings so you can disable Hide My Email. This requires an iCloud Plus subscription, so make sure that's active first. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, then tap iCloud. Once in iCloud, scroll to find Hide My Email. You'll see the list of private addresses created for you. Tap Hide My Email to open the management view. This is the first actionable screen where you'll select addresses to turn off or delete, and it's also where you learn why each address exists. Now you're on the list of private addresses. Tap 1 to see which apps or websites use it and why. If you want to stop receiving messages from that alias, choose Turn Off that stops forwarding but preserves the address in case you reactivate it later. If you're certain, choose Delete to remove the alias permanently and end all forwarding and link associations. Make sure to check linked apps so you don't lose access unintentionally and move to the next address as needed. Finish by verifying that forwarding stopped, send a test message to the alias or check the Mail app. If you don't see Hide My Email in iCloud, make sure your iPhone is updated, you're signed into the correct Apple ID, and your iCloud Plus plan is active. Update iOS or sign out and back in if needed. If problems persist, manage aliases at iCloud. COM or contact Apple support. Remember, turning off forwarding preserves the alias.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.